Hi everyone, and welcome to Penn Trafford Ceramics Online Week 6. Hope you're all doing well, staying healthy, not going crazy. Thank you so much for playing along and making that salt dough, that salt clay. Hopefully it went well for you. I really like the results that some of you got here and the finishes that you put on it. Very, very creative. Something fun to do at home since you can't be in the studio, right? A lot of you this past week picked up ceramic work, whether it was already finished, like ceramic 2, your salt and pepper shakers. Those are done home. I just cleaned out the showcases at school. Some of you, like ceramic 1 kids especially, you still have things you need to glaze. Some of you even took clay or have greenware that you still need to work on and then bring back for firing. All that being said, no matter where you are, if you have work that still needs to be fired, we're going to stick to a very strict schedule coming up here, okay? Thursday, April 30th is going to be the last bisque kiln, and that only affects a few of you. But Thursday, May 7th is going to be the last glaze kiln. So how do you get your work back to school? Here's how. The building, of course, is closed, okay? But on Mondays and Wednesdays from 11 to 1, the secretaries are in the main office. So once you're finished glazing your work, for example, and you need me to fire it in the kiln one more time before it's done, what you want to do is come to the building Monday or Wednesday between 11 and 1 with your work. You buzz the secretaries. They'll let you in that first set of doors by the main office. You look to your left. There's a box there. It says place ceramic projects here. You stick it there. I will fire it for you, okay? Now, I realize those hours are very limited and it's not going to work for everybody. So if it's impossible for you to get your work back to me during those hours, Monday, Wednesday, 11 to 1, then you need to contact me individually and we'll make some kind of arrangements. Once again, the firing dates are going to be bisque kiln for greenware. For clay, you're still refining or texturizing, April 30th. Glazeware, May 7th, okay? That way, I'm sure that everything is out of both kilns by the time the school year ends on May 22nd. That's still a go. Okay, so questions, please ask. All right, this week, week 6, you all have 2 assignments, okay? The assignment is going to be, and I'm sorry, I can't show you my screen here or else I would. Let me see. Nope, I can't do it. But you know by now, Google Classroom, okay? Email. All right, the weekly email. And both assignments this week are going to be due on Friday, May the 1st. Assignments are due on Fridays for me. Hopefully that's consistent for you. You have your weekly email, which is on an English ceramicist. His name is Jeffrey Swindell. You're going to love his work. There's a short little video clip I want you to watch. And then the second assignment is basically using the textures, the surfaces around you and translating them into a ceramic work. Very simple, very easy. What you'll do is you'll upload photographs to a Google form, send that in. Hopefully it's a fun kind of scavenger hunt for you. That's pretty much it. After this week, guys, we only have about 2 more weeks of assignments, of new assignments. And honestly, the last week that we have together, May 11th through whatever date that is, May 11th, 12, 13, 14, 15th, it's going to be real easy. It's just going to be an email to me, okay? There are no new assignments the week of May 18th through the 22nd for me because I want to give you guys time to publish everything, write your artist statements, gives me time to grade. The school year still is going to end on the 22nd, okay? That's pretty much it. If I'm forgetting anything, I apologize. Hopefully you're all doing well. Let me know what I can do for you. Please keep in contact. I'll be looking for your emails and I'll be looking for your completed Google Forms. If you have past due work, it's not too late. Get that in, get that done, okay? All right, thank you so much. Have a great week and take care. Bye.